Instagram profiles must be optimized in a bid to achieve the most while engaging in a brand marketing. On most occasions, social media platforms are optimized through numerous strategies that have worked before for other social media marketers. One must be careful in selecting a strategy for a brand because every product must be driven by specific objectives. This is so because while some profile optimization strategies might work for others, the same strategies might not work for your brand. There could be a myriad of reasons behind these phenomena, and it is therefore imperative to carry out a comprehensive research and feasibility study so as to ascertain the tactics that would yield your desired results. Brand optimization involves a number of practices, including determining the most recommended image sizes for your photos, the appropriate number of characters or words that best fit your promotional materials and attention you need to accord to your branding. All these are required to optimize your Instagram page as a strategy of gaining the most out of your online marketing. If done appropriately and according to plan, you stand a chance of succeeding in your efforts to market your brand on your Instagram page.